Seth Siegel-Gardner. I'm a chef and I've been cooking for people for over 30 years. I love cooking wild game because it is harder packing it out and preparing it for your family and friends. I'm here in Charleston, South Carolina with Will from Rolling Bones Barbeque, cooking wild turkey.
I want to cook today the thighs and legs, so we're going to take those off and then skin it back because I want to get the seasoning on the meat. I'm really excited about this, to be honest. These look big. This turkey was eating healthy.
I mean, we're smoking, but then what else are we doing to it?
So we're going to smoke them. Wild game's notoriously lean, so a smoker is a really gentle way to cook something. So is confit. And so we're going to put 2 hours of smoke on these things, transfer them into some smoked beef fat.
Okay.
And then we're going to confit them for, I don't know, 2-3 hours.
The idea of the confit is to cook in its own fat. You've obviously taken some liberties and we're doing in beef fat, which I think was genius.
And then we'll shred these things.
Okay.
Because we're making turkey taquitos. We're gonna mix them with refried beans and Oaxaca cheese. So a pretty dense filling. And I wanna brighten that up a little bit. Seth's gonna help us out with a little salsa to add some acid to bring it all together.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a salsa matcha, pretty simple. Definitely not the matcha you're thinking of that you overpay for at a coffee store.
The green stuff.
The green stuff. Basically, it's like strong salsa is the idea. It's a lot of flavor packed in and it's an oil-based one. And we're gonna add, we've got some smoked turkey skin that we've smoked in there. We're gonna fry a little bit of that up too, so we're gonna make kind of this like crispy skin matcha.
A couple of strong guys making a strong salsa. I like it.
That's what you like to do.
All right, so now we're gonna roll these into taquitos. What I like to do is put the filling kind of in this bottom third so that when I roll it, it's nice and full.
Okay.
And then what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna cut the ends off and make it like real nice and full.
You're fancy.
Yeah, I'm a fancy guy, yeah. Oil's at 350. These have sat in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna lay these seam side down away from us in the pan. We're gonna do about 5 at once so we don't drop the oil too much in the pan. We'll let them sit for a minute, 2 minutes, and then pull these toothpicks out and flip them over.
We're calling this one our wild low country turkey taquitos with the salsa verde and the crispy turkey skin salsa matcha.
You know, I'm stuck on Turkey Tom's taquito.
Cheers it.
Cheers, sir.
All right. Wow.
Let's go.